Now, our motion acknowledges the tireless work of organisations, individuals and volunteers who support Wales's armed forces community and veterans. Pembrokeshire is no exception. There are some excellent organisations working with veterans and the armed forces community across the county. The Cabinet Secretary may be aware of the excellent VC Gallery in Haverfordwest, run by Barry John, who was a serving member of the Royal Welsh Regiment for 24 years. The VC Gallery, VC meaning Veterans and Community, is a wonderful example of a small independent charity bringing together veterans and the community through art, as well as helping veterans who are struggling to adapt to civilian life. I've been to the VC Gallery on several occasions and I'm always blown away by the incredible community spirit and commitment from the volunteers there. They run a series of amazing projects, including peer mentorships, who offer dedicated guidance and assistance to veterans and their families. In my view, delivering peer-led support is a great way of developing trust and creating a safe and welcoming environment for veterans to reconnect with their community and rediscover a sense of belonging. The VC Gallery also runs a Garden to Plate project, which connects people with the greater outdoors and teaches them valuable gardening and cooking skills. This is another project that fosters active citizenship and promotes healthy living. And I believe it's this kind of activity that the Welsh Government needs to identify, support and roll out across Wales. Where good work is being done in our communities, we have to promote it and share best practice across the country.